Yo, yo, yo. Okay, that works, I think. Still work? Yeah, okay. Well, that's annoying. Sorry about that. Okay, let's go again. Try to be a bit quicker, but yeah. Practice run. All right, let's go. Because I wanted this to be short today. Cool. So, let's look at this first setup of the day here. I wasn't wanting to knife catch today. I was actually expecting the previous week lows to get taken down here, but there was a momentum pull. I'll publish a video about it in the next couple weeks or so. But yeah, I had a momentum pull here to give me a set of targets here, so there's a good reason for it. But because we were coming down so aggressively, I wasn't really interested in knife catching the low down here. Once we started to break some market structure though, and we have a 3-4 kickback, then I'm actually interested in. I didn't get in this first one right here because it didn't really give me a setup. It was just really quick, and I didn't want to I didn't want to get into aggressive long against the trend. So I wanted to wait for something a little bit more confirmed. Here, we have a bit more confirmation. We have a corrective channel coming downward. Now we've broken out of that corrective channel, right? And then we have this local channel that I'm drawing out too. Um, so I'm looking for a setup like this, and then I'm waiting for two of these green candles, and then I'm buying. Now it did end up coming back down, which is good that I actually put my stop loss under that low, because a couple weeks ago, from my live trade breakdowns a couple weeks ago, I missed out on I got stopped out by like a dollar or something right before a move that I would have gotten like at least $2,000 trade from. Um, and one of the things that I said was that I should have used the invalidation. I should have put my stop loss at the invalidation of my primary confluence level. And because I had a couple different confluences that both have different invalidations, right? But one was more important than the other. So I should have stuck to the one that was more important. And in this case, my invalidation is this overall kickback zone. It can get a couple wicks through, that's fine. So this time around I wanted to make sure that I was going to give myself a little bit more breathing room instead of just using this local low here. And that ended up being good because yeah, I did come underwater here a little bit, but the that idea still ended up playing out, right? Even though that local channel was broken and everything, it's still the same idea ended up playing out. It came and back tested this channel after breaking it, like all that stuff. We were back testing the IB middle and the kickback of this pull after breaking market structure. We had also put in what looked like an ending diag, right? So we put in what looks like an ending diag, and now we start to break local market structure. So of course, there's always a chance that this could be a leading diag to come back down, but the I don't know. It looked like a good setup to me. The CVD looked decent as well. A little bit of divergence here, not too much, but it didn't look bad, right? So I just waited for that local momentum shift from breaking out of that channel and back testing it. Made sure to use the right invalidation and then get in. So quick and easy. All right, cool. Trade two. So we have local scalp targets here, like very local on the XV chart here. We're coming into the 832 -1 of that. We're coming into this bigger kickback here, and we're coming to backtest the IB high right here. Why do I like this IB high so much? Because we closed above the IB, backtested the IB middle beautifully a couple different times, and then failed to get all the way up to the 2. We went past the 1, but didn't get up to the 2. So it respected the middle really well, but then it didn't get up to the 2. So in my mind, the targets that these initial balance the people investing into this initial balance, they didn't hit their second set of targets yet, and they supported the middle. So the next step after the middle would be to support the IB high in order to get up to the second set of targets up here, right? So I like this level a lot, and I decided to get in a little bit more aggressively here. Now that we've looked a bit stronger, but we're still giving a good solid retrace here. We're coming back down to the kickback. So I just had this local little like channel here, and as soon as we popped out of it and back to it showed a bit of like buyers coming in, then I just longed right there, right, and just super quick. I mean, I do have these all sped up by 3x, but still, that was less than a minute, right? Okay, coming back down to the IB high again. Still haven't made it to the second set of targets. We've got a local scalp pull here, 3-4 down to kickback. And we've broken some more market structure. Like we're really starting to build up some potential market structure here. Even if this is just a corrective leg before another leg down, I could at least get a scalp out of this because this is a good retrace. Even if it comes in is gonna like I can hit my take profits and then it impulses down right away. I should at least be able to get at least one, if not both of the take profits out, right? But I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting for the momentum shift. I had the channel, waiting for it to break the channel, back test it, come back above it, and then I enter. That's why it should. That's why I enter a bit late like that, right? I don't just enter like right on the level because I don't know if there's going to be anyone supporting the level. Now I actually know people are supporting the level. The momentum is shifting because this momentum inside the channel is breaking. We've broken out of that now, so something's changing, right? And then yeah. And this hits, this hits in about another few seconds. So it's pretty good. I was saying earlier, I didn't end up catching this long here because personally, I don't like when price comes underneath kickback, closes all these candles underneath it. Raven, I know that you were saying that Larry had a level here. Like that's totally cool. I'm sure there was a good setup here on a lower, like on XV. I just didn't. I didn't personally after 3-4 coming back down and like consolidating underneath it like this. That's just personally not a trade I was interested in, but it's all right, because now I can get trades still like afterward. All right, so here's the last trade of the day. I posted this in the Discord too. I was talking about this. So this ending diag here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It responded really well. If you like do a 3 pull from the 5 to the 2 to the 3, responded really well to this 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 2 zone, which is a corrective target for it's a corrective target, right? In this case, it would be an ending diag. So I was looking at the potential of this being like that. This was the A, this was a B, and then the C before another big leg down, like I was talking earlier, to like come and take last week's low would happen. So I was saying in chat like, hey, if we get another rise up here, I'm really going to be interested in this 2114 to 200 area. So I was really liking that. Also, the same scalp pull that got the 3-4 kickback, it's the -1 of that too. So there's a lot of nice stuff, right? It also came and took the high from the 8:30 news. So there's a lot of good stuff. Didn't want to I didn't want to just enter without any sort of shift in momentum. So here, finally, we broke some market structure here, and I just found a pull with a 3-4 down here. I'm just looking for the kickback, and then if I see a reaction, I'm just gonna enter, put the stop over there. That's it. Yeah. So as soon as we came back underneath that kickback after that reaction, then I took the trade. And you can see I did my normal scalp entry here on the minis, and I really wanted this to I wanted to I'm a scalper, so but I want to practice at getting better and like holding on to trades for longer. So I took this on a micro as well, and just put the stop over the overall high because I wanted to see if my trade idea would actually go through. It didn't. It didn't. I ended up getting stopped out on this after, but it was like a $50 loss because it's only a micro. Would have been a $400 win. but you know, it's okay. And this ends up playing out for both of these, so that's nice. Take a little chance with a micro for a $50 loss, but I'm making a few hundred along the way here, like 300 and then another 600 from that. So it's totally fine. Well, this will be the last one, guys. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. If not, sorry about the beginning. I'll just fast forward it. Now, I wanted a little bit lower, didn't get it. Once it started to form bullish market structure again here locally, I decided to get out for 600. So, yep, and that's it. I closed the task after this, so I didn't actually capture it, but I got stopped out on that micro, so it's all good though. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. I didn't take any trades today, honestly. I took no trades today. I didn't really like the price action, and I did fine yesterday. So, yep. Cool guys. Well, yeah. If you have any other questions, let me know in Discord, and if not, I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see y'all next week. And I'll put another educational video out there this weekend as well. So, all right guys, till next time. See you later.